is Mindy McIntosh-Shutter from Mindar the Gardening Gnome and Dirt to 90 University, and today I'd like to show you how to grow watermelon and cantaloupe. Now the technique I'm going to use today is precision farming, and I'm only going to use one seed per hoe, and I'll explain why a little bit later. But the process begins by preparing your garden soil. Now your garden soil can be the soil in your raised bed, it can be in the ground, or it can actually be in a container garden. You need to loosen up the soil, making sure that you're planting your seed after your local frost-free date, and incorporating plenty of organic matter and compost. Once you've done that, smooth the soil out, and we're going to dig our first hoe. Our first hoe is going to be cantaloupe. Now the technique I'm going to use is called precision farming, and I'm going to plant one seed per hoe 18 to 24 inches apart. I don't have to thin out at a later date, and seed saving also. So I'm going to plant my cantaloupe seed first. I'm going to gently tap it down. I'm going to move to this hoe and I'm going to plant my watermelon in this hole. Again, 1/2 inch to 1 inch in depth. And then I'm going to fill it in, gently tap, and then I'm going to plant another cantaloupe here. Now I could continue this process if my bed was bigger, but melons like to have a 5-foot space between the rows. And since this bed is only at 4x4, I'm only going to be able to get one row in this bed. And that's all there is as far as planting watermelon and cantaloupe. So until we meet in the garden again, this has been Mindy McIntosh-Shutter from Mindar the Gardening Gnome and Dirt to 90 University.